I like to collect my spent brass at the range, and it pisses me off when people take it without asking me. Yesterday, when I was shooting my AR-15, I noticed that my spent brass was disappearing a little too fast. It seemed to vanish before it even hit the ground. I told my friend to shoot my rifle since I wanted to see where the missing brass was going. I was concerned that my rifle had an extractor issue. As my friend fired some rounds, a guy 2 lanes down from us ran down and collected the spent brass that was still fucking hot. I let him keep the brass since he seemed to want it more than me. What do you guys think? Let me know.